Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change primary country or region on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. And here you need to click on scroll down and you need to find an option to switch to business account. And here you can see for professionals. So as you can see that switch account type, click on that, switch to business account. So as you can see that I already switched to business account. Then you need to go back and click on edit profile and scroll down, and here you can see contact options. Click on that, and here you can see business address. So now you need to add your street address, town and postal code. And here you can see that please add a valid address so that people can navigate to your location in maps. So here you can add your other country or location where you are. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.